A tangent to a circle is a straight line that just touches the circumference of the circle at a single point like this. A tangent to a circle will always meet the radius at that point at an angle of 90 degrees, meaning that the tangent and the radius are perpendicular lines. If you take any point outside of the circle and draw two tangents to the circle from the same point like this, then the distances from that point to the circle along each tangent will be equal. This also means that the triangles formed by this point, the centre of the circle, and the point where the tangent meets the circle are congruent, which means that they have the same size and all of their angles are the same. In particular, the line from the centre of the circle to the point outside the circle will bisect the angle there. That means that these two angles will be equal, because bisecting means splitting in two precisely. If we draw a chord that meets the radius at right angles, then this radius will also bisect the chord. That is, it splits it into two equal parts, which means that it's the perpendicular bisector of that chord.